Are you looking for the best solar-powered generators? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best solar-powered generators on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Jeanverse HomePower TWO PRO. For my money, this Genverse solar generator offers the best combination of power capacity, charge time, and the ability to hold the charge for as long as possible. The HomePower TWO PRO is a robust, 2,200 watt generator that, thanks to its lithium iron phosphate, LiFePO4, battery, needed just 2 hours or less to reach a full charge in our tests using an AC wall outlet or 4 hours using solar panels. I like that the well-configured generator includes 3 AC outlets for appliances, power tools, CPAP machines, and the like, plus 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C outlets for your small electronics. Keep in mind, however, that the HomePower TWO PRO is not the most rugged solar generator we tested, so our experts recommend it for home use, rather than on camping or construction sites. If you don't need quite as much power, I was also impressed by Geneverse HomePower 1. The 1,000 watt generator packs less power, and its lithium-ion battery takes longer to charge. But the 23-pound generator is easier to transport and has plenty of juice for smaller electronic devices. Capacity, 2,200 watts, battery type, lithium-ion phosphate, charge time, solar 4 hours, charge time, AC 1.5 to 2 hours, battery shelf life, up to 12 months, weight, 61.3 pounds, dimensions, 17.83 inches by 11.02 inches by 14.11 inches, lifespan, 3,000 cycles. Number 2. Anker 757 PowerHouse. Anker is another leader in the backup power space, and the Anker 757 solar generator is the model I recommend to friends and family who are looking for top value. It impressed our testers with its smart design, solid construction, and competitive pricing. When plugged into a wall outlet, its lithium iron phosphate battery can reach an 80% charge in less than an hour. The Anker 757's 1,500 watt capacity is mid-tier in terms of output, so it's best suited to more modest energy needs, say, keeping your home's electronics going through a power outage, rather than a slew of major appliances. Its feature set is respectable, including 6 AC ports, 4 USB-A ports and 2 USB-C ports. As for solar charging capabilities, it can input up to 300 watts from solar panels, which, much like its power output, places it in the middle of the pack compared with other generators on the market. Capacity, 1,500 watts, battery type, lithium-ion phosphate, charge time, solar 3.6 hours, charge time, AC 1 hour, battery shelf life, 12 to 16 months, weight, 43.9 pounds, dimensions, 18.2 inches by 9.3 inches by 11.3 inches, lifespan, 3,000 cycles. Number 3. Generac GB2000 Portable Power Station. With its durable enclosure and ergonomic design, the GB2000 is my top pick for a solar generator you can take anywhere. Generac is well regarded by our experts for its established line of gas-powered backup generators. Given how well those machines have performed in our tests over the years, we're excited about Generac's entrance into the solar generator category, where we expect the same performance and reliability. The 2,106 watt capacity lithium-ion battery packs plenty of power into relatively compact housing, and the so-called parallel ports make it possible to combine 2 power stations, doubling the total power output. The unit features 3 AC outputs, 2 USB-A outputs and 2 USB-C outputs. There's also a wireless charging pad at the top of generator for cell phones and other small electronics. Another small touch that our testers liked is the storage pocket at the back of the enclosure to keep all the various charging cords in one place when you're on the go. One caveat, the 1,000 cycle lifespan of its lithium-ion battery is shorter than that of some of our other top picks. Capacity, 2,106 watts, battery type, lithium-ion, charge time, solar 80% in 5 hours, charge time, AC 80% in 3.3 hours, battery shelf life, up to 6 months, weight, 43 pounds, dimensions, 16.8 inches by 10.4 inches by 15.1 inches, lifespan, 1000 cycles. Number 4. Jackery Portable Power Station Explorer 3000 Pro. For maximum capacity in fairly compact housing, I love Jackery's Explorer 3000 Pro. It weighs a hefty 63 pounds, but wheels and a telescoping handle enhance its portability, making it a good option for home, recreational or construction site use. The battery boasts an impressive 3000 watts and is loaded with 5 AC ports and 4 USB ports. It's also one of the few solar generators we tested with a large 25 amp AC outlet, good for powering high-load electronics, like a portable air conditioner, an electric grill or even an RV. Charge time of the lithium-ion battery is a respectable 2.5 hours via a wall outlet, or less than 4 hours using solar panels. The Jackery is missing a few other features we like in other models, including an LED light and onboard cord storage. Capacity, 3000 watts, battery type, lithium-ion, charge time, solar 3 to 19 hours, charge time, AC 2.4 hours, battery shelf life, 3 months, weight, 62.8 pounds, dimensions, 18.1 inches by 12.9 inches by 13.7 inches, lifespan, 2000 cycles. Number 5. GoZero Yeti 1500X Portable Power Station. I remember when GoZero put solar generators on the map with its launch of the first ever portable power station in 2017. Though it now has plenty of competitors, including some who are pushing ahead with innovation, the Yeti remains a solid option. The 1500 watt battery is designed for medium-sized power loads, which is one reason we like it for camping and other recreational use. The other reason is its relatively slow charge time, about 14 hours via a standard 120-volt wall outlet and 18 to 36 hours via solar power, and short shelf life, 3 to 6 months. That means the Yeti is not ideal in emergency situations, e.g., a storm is bearing down, and you need to recharge your backup power ASAP. Also, with a lifespan of 500 cycles, the Yeti 1500X is best for occasional use. Capacity, 1500 watts, battery type, lithium-ion, charge time, solar 18 to 36 hours, charge time, AC 14 hours, battery shelf life, 3 to 6 months, weight, 45.64 pounds, dimensions, 15.25 inches by 10.23 inches by 10.37 inches, lifespan, 500 cycles. Number 6. EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra. When solar power generators first hit the market, they weren't powerful enough to keep large houses running. That's changing at a rapid clip, as our experts found when they tested the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra in a 3,000 square foot suburban home. The EcoFlow system consists of a battery and inverter with a total output of 7,200 watts. It's scalable too, all the way up to 90,000 watts with the addition of 15 batteries. That's enough to keep an average American home running full tilt for an entire month. You'd be looking at an all-in cost of around $50,000 for that maximum output. A good middle ground option that will get most homeowners through routine power outages is the EcoFlow 12 kWh power station, which includes an extra battery and sells for under $9,000. A professional electrician was needed for the installation of our Delta Pro Ultra, since we opted for the add-on Smart Home Panel 2, which allows homeowners to connect specific circuits to the backup battery, for example, the one for the refrigerator, lighting, furnace, and central air conditioner. I like that the smart panel features automatic switchover, so your home will remain powered through an outage even when you're away, the same way a standby gas generator kicks on automatically when a power failure strikes. The Delta Pro Ultra's display screen allows you to program circuits, and it also contains other useful information, like the current load and charge level, as well as how long the battery will last under current conditions. Or you can access this info through the EcoFlow app, which our testers found intuitive and easy to use. The app even allows homeowners to take advantage of time-of-use rates from the utility company, such as programming appliances to run during off-peak hours, when electricity prices are lower. that's not going to put too much of a dent in the steep upfront cost of the Delta Pro Ultra. But with a lifespan of 3,500 cycles, the system should deliver decades of service, so the savings will add up over time, though keeping your whole house running during a power outage is the main benefit. Capacity, 7,200 watts, battery type, lithium-ion, charge time, solar 2 hours, charge time, AC 2.5 hours, battery shelf life, 3 to 6 months, weight, 218 pounds, dimensions, 27.2-inch LX 18.9 W x 8.4H, lifespan, 3,500 cycles. Number 7. BLUETTI Portable Power Station EB3A. Solar power generators also come in extremely compact sizes, like the Portable Power Station EB3A from BLUETTI. Its 269 watt capacity is not meant to keep your house running, but I'm including it here because it will provide a few hours of run time for less power-hungry equipment, like personal electronics and small appliances. Weighing just 10 pounds, and about the size of an old-fashioned box radio, the BLUETTI is also perfect for taking on the road. Between its small capacity and lithium iron phosphate, LiFePO4, battery, charging times are extremely swift. Whether you use a wall outlet or the 200-watt solar panel, sold separately, the EB3A can reach a full charge in under 2 hours. The portable power station offers 2 AC ports, 2 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C port and a wireless charging pad for your cell phone. Its 2,500 cycle lifespan makes it one of the longest-lasting solar chargers from our tests. An LED light with a strobe setting for emergency use, for example, if your car is broken down on the side of the road, is a nice safety add-on. Capacity, 268 watts, battery type, lithium iron phosphate, charge time, solar 1.8 to 2 hours, charge time, AC 1.3 to 2 hours, battery shelf life, 3 to 6 months, weight, 10 pounds, dimensions, 10.04 inches by 7.09 inches by 7.2 inches, lifespan, 2,500 cycles.